One day, I woke up to barking. There was a dog in the apartment. Big, black. To this day, I don't know how he even got inside. He didn't attack, just laid down at my feet. Now, looking back, I can't even believe it myself. But still, he stayed. He got a name, Soot. He was like my savior from loneliness. He became my guard. I shared my food with him, even though there was barely enough for me. I talked to him. In him, I found comfort. But he disappeared just as suddenly as he came. I cried harder than I did the first time I realized no one was looking for me.